Today, we're diving into one of the most popular questions I get. What is the best budgeting app in 2025? There are tons of options out there, and let's be honest, it can get overwhelming. So today, I've rounded up the top contenders, and I'm giving you a side-by-side comparison so you can find the best fit for your money style. Whether you're a spreadsheet superfan or a budgeting beginner, this episode will help you find your perfect digital money buddy. Let's jump in. Welcome to Personal Finance Cat, where I share my personal take on personal finance. Number 1, YNAB. You need a budget. Let's start with a cult favorite, YNAB. Why people love it? A. It's a zero-based budgeting system. Every dollar has a job. B. It's great for goal setting and long-term planning. C. They have awesome education resources. Pros of YNAB. A. It's super hands-on. B. It helps break paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. C. It has a strong mobile and desktop experience. The cons of YNAB. A. There's a steeper learning curve. B. There is a subscription cost, which is $99 a year or about $15 a month. Who is YNAB for? People who want to get super intentional with every dollar and don't mind spending time in the app. If you treat budgeting like a lifestyle, this is your winner. 2. Monarch Money. Why Monarch Money is rising fast? That is because A. It has a clean, modern interface. B. It allows collaborative budgeting with partners or family. C. It has net worth tracking and investment views. The pros of Monarch Money. A. It's visual, intuitive, and customizable. B. It has joint budgeting capability, which is great for couples. C. It syncs with tons of banks and investment accounts. The cons of Monarch Money. It has no free version. It is a premium-only app with $14.99 per month or $99 a year. Who is Monarch Money for? Couples, families, or individuals who want to complete money dashboard that tracks both cash flow and net worth. 3. Copilot. Why is Copilot trending in 2025? That is because A. It has a smooth interface designed for iOS users. B. It has AI categorization of transactions. Yes, even that weird coffee shop charge. C. It has budgeting plus subscription tracking. Pros of Copilot. A. It's super user-friendly. B. It's an Apple-first design, which means it's beautiful and fast. C. It's great for automation. What about the cons for Copilot? A. It's iOS only, which means no Android. B. It costs about $95 a year. C. It has less manual control than YNAB. Who is Copilot for? Apple lovers who want smart, sleek money tracking without too much hands-on budgeting. 4. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Why is Rocket Money practical? That is because A. It helps you cancel unused subscriptions. B. It tracks bills and negotiates lower ones. C. Budgeting is simple and automatic in Rocket Money. The pros of Rocket Money include A. It has passive money management. B. It focuses on saving you money. C. There is a bill negotiation feature. The cons of Rocket Money. A. It's less robust for goal setting. B. Negotiation service takes a cut of the savings. C. Free tier is limited. Who is Rocket Money for? Busy people who want something simple and effective with an emphasis on cutting costs. 5. Good Budget. Good Budget is old school but still relevant. Based on the envelope system, you manually allocate money to categories. The pros of Good Budget include A. Great for people who like structure. B. There's a free plan available. C. It can be used cross-platform. The cons of Good Budget include A. Manual entry for some things. B. Not as flashy or automatic as others. Who is Good Budget for? Cash-focused folks and envelope budgeting fans who like to plan every penny. Bonus app, Mint. Quick note, Mint shut down in early 2024, and many users were left scrambling. Some migrated to Credit Karma, but it's more focused on credit monitoring than budgeting. So, if you're still searching for a mint replacement, Monarch Money and Copilot have become top choices. Let's recap the best budgeting apps in 2025. App, YNAB. Best for intentional budgeters. Cost, $99 a year. Key strength, detailed planning. App, Monarch Money. Best for couples and visual planners. Cost, $99 a year. Key strength, full money dashboard. App, Copilot. Best for Apple users and automation fans. Cost, $95 a year. Key strength, AI-powered simplicity. App, Rocket Money. Best for passive savers. Cost, Freemium. Key strength, cost-cutting tools. App, Good Budget. Best for manual planners and envelope lovers. Cost, Freemium. Key strength, old school simplicity. And there you have it, the top budgeting apps of 2025. Side by side, no fluff. Remember, the best app is the one you will actually use. Fancy features don't matter if you never open it. Try out a couple, take advantage of free trials, and see which one clicks with your brain and your bank account. If you love the breakdown, be sure to subscribe and share the show with your budget-curious friends. Until next time, keep tracking, keep stacking, and may your budgets always balance.